Hey, today I'm going to show you 12 keyboard shortcuts in Eclipse that you absolutely need to know if you want to be a faster and more efficient programmer. Let's get started. First shortcut I want to show you is for creating one-line comments. So instead of clicking on the start of the line and putting slashes like so, you can just click anywhere on the line and press Ctrl 7. And you can see that the comment was added at the start of the line. And if you press Ctrl 7 again, you will see that the comment disappears. Next shortcut is for quickly deleting lines. So instead of selecting the line and pressing backspace twice, you can just click anywhere on the line and just press Ctrl D. And you will see that the line disappears. The next shortcut is for quick fixes. So instead of clicking the error and then clicking the possible solution, you can just click anywhere on the line and then just press Ctrl 1 and then select the solution. Next one is for quickly finding or replacing text values inside your files. So if you want to search for some value, just type Ctrl F and then type the value you want to search, for example, Clio, and press enter, and you will see that this value was highlighted. But if you first select the text you want to search and then press Ctrl F, you will see that this value will be automatically transferred. So if you click find, you will quickly find all the other occurrences of the same value. Next two shortcuts are for running and debugging your program. So if you want to quickly run your program, just type Ctrl F11. And as you can see, the output was printed. But if you want to debug your program, just type F11 without a control. And as you can see, the program stopped at the first breakpoint and you can debug it from here. Next one is for properly formatting your code. So for example, if you have some text that is not properly formatted, just select it and then press Ctrl Shift F and you will see that now it will be properly formatted. If you don't select any code, then changes will be applied to the whole file. So for example, if I change this line and this line here, and then I don't select any code, and I press Ctrl Shift F, you will see that the whole file was formatted. Next one is for quickly finding references in your files. So for example, if you want to know where some method is called, you just select it, and then press Ctrl Shift G, and you will see that under Search tab, all the references will be printed. And if you click it, you will be redirected to this reference. Next one is for quickly organizing your imports. So as you can see in this example, we have missing imports for person and car because they are in other package. So instead of manually adding imports like so, you can just press Ctrl Shift O. And you will see that imports were automatically added for all missing classes. Next shortcut is for quickly finding resources inside your project. So if you press Ctrl Shift R, you will see this pop-up where you can search resources by name, path, or pattern. And if I put, for example, car and click it, I will be redirected to this class. Next, we have shortcut for renaming. So for example, if you want to quickly rename class, variable, or method, you can just simply select it and then press Alt Shift R and then type a new name. For example, I will put new model and then press enter. And as you can see, all occurrences of this variable were changed. And finally, the last shortcut I want to show you is for quickly accessing source menu. So for example, if you want to quickly generate getters and setters for a class, you can click inside it and then type Alt Shift S and this menu will be displayed. And here you can just select the option with your mouse or you can continue typing. So for example, for this option, you can type R because as you can see, it's underlined here. So type R. And then for selecting all, you can type Alt A because it's also underlined here. And then finally, for generating, you should type Shift R. And as you can see, getters and setters were automatically generated. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video valuable, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.